Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today I have for you another unboxing of yarn from Under an English Sky. They're based here in the UK and the lovely Shirley Ann. I ordered some yarn and there wasn't enough of what I wanted, so what she did was she emailed me and let me know that she was only sending one, but she was dyeing up the other colour and I wanted two more, and bless her, she gave me free shipping to send out the one that I'd already paid for and the other two that I wanted. So very good customer service, so thank you very much, I do appreciate that. So let's see which box this is. I'm not doing very good, guys, sorry about this. So I hope everybody's well. So we've got a nice little card, Under an English Sky yarns. I'll put their links below in the description box. She's got a blog, Instagram, Ravelry, a YouTube, podcast, Facebook and the website. So I'll put all that information in the description box below, guys. Check her out. And oh, this is the yarn that she sent me that I ordered the first time. So it comes wrapped in this lovely tissue paper with all the birds, which is very apt for the description. If I show you the logo, I'm not sure if you can see the logo, typical of an English summer, and this is the yarn and you can understand now why. Look at this colour. This is called Tiptoe Through the Bluebells. A finger weight, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 425 meters. So, and guys, I'm telling you, it is as soft as a baby's butt. Honest. Oh, so nice. And oh, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Hand dyed in Cheshire. And so you can see all the different colours. There's greens, there's pinks, there's lilacs, typical of bluebells. And this one, there's little speckles in it. So yeah, and this one as well. I think they are going to make a fabulous project. Not quite decided yet what, but I know I've got 4 of these, so I've got over 4, 8, 12. I've got over 1600 yards, which will make something spectacular, I think. So that's one box, and then I've got hair all over me. And then the next box is from the same, you know, from Under an English Sky, and I can't remember actually what I know I ordered the Tiptoe one, and again another card, and again this is wrapped in beautiful tissue paper with all the little birds on. And there's the other skein to match these. So they're the Tiptoe Through the Bluebells. So that's that. And then I ordered Wildflower mini skein. Again, it's the same specs, 75 superwash merino, 25% nylon, and look at them colours, aren't they fabulous? And I've ordered them before, so I wanted 2 of each. So this is what I've ordered, but I'd already ordered them before, but I wanted this Wildflower. And then I've got this this set of minis. I'm not sure what this set of minis is. Let me just have a look. But these are really, these have got speckles in them. Oh, this is the Impressionist set. This is the Impressionist set. So let me, sorry for the quick crinkle, guys. Sorry. But look at them. And I wanted these and them for a specific project that I've got in mind. I've not started it yet, and it's not something that's going to be rushed, but yeah, to go with all the minis, I want to I've got a project in mind that I want to use the minis. I was getting the minis, these minis, as well as the Advent minis that I had for last year from Vicky Brown. I've got a project in mind for them, and once I've had a play and sorted it, I will show you what it is. But yeah, so these are for them in mind. So yeah, they're my beautiful yarns from Under an English Sky. Please do check them out, guys. I know postage is horrendous at the moment, but if you are here in the UK and can afford to support our yarn dyers, then please do. That's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.